out the original X-axis motor cable and X-axis limit switch cable. Pull out the original Y-axis motor cable and Y-axis limit switch cable. Connect the Y-axis motor cable and Y-axis limit switch cable of the control box to the printer. Connect the X-axis motor cable and X-axis limit switch cable of the control box to the printer. Install the laser module fixing plate, it should be vertical, and lock the screw. Install the laser module and use 2 thumb screws to lock it. Place a laser impenetrable flat object under the processing material. Plug in the laser module with cable Z. The way to adjust the focal length of 5W and 10W laser modules are different. Use cable ties and cable management belt to arrange the cables. Connect the power adapter. Use the data cable to connect the control box and the computer. Power on. Open light burn after installation. Take a name and set the maximum engraving size. Then click Next. Set the origin to front left and click Next. Click Finish finally. Select the machine and click OK to configure successfully. Click Edit Settings, choose mm/min and click OK. Select the corresponding port. You can see Ready if the connection is successful. Enter $in console and press Enter. For different printers, if the X and Y print size is not 220 mm, you need to modify 2 configuration parameters of $130 and $131 in the console. You can find the guide in TF card. Click File Import to import the picture. Set the position and size. Right-click on the image. Adjust image to set the effect and click OK. Set the appropriate power percent, speed and pass count. Please refer to the TF card for recommended parameters. Choose Start From according to personal habits. If you choose Absolute Chords, please click Home first. Press Shift and click Frame to preview the frame. Click Start to start engraving. import.dxf or .svg for cutting. Set related parameters. Set mode to line in the Cut/Layers window. You must start from absolute chords during offline operation. Click File Save G-code to save the engraving file to the directory of the TF card. Insert the TF card into the card slot of the control box. Power on. Press the microswitch for the first time, the laser module will emit weak light, and repeat movement around the largest X, Y edge of the process picture. Press the microswitch again and it will start engraving. Switching to FDM printing, the extension cables of the X-axis motor, Y-axis motor, X-axis limit switch and Y-axis limit switch can be left on the machine for easy plugging and unplugging.